Hi everyone. In this video, we show you how to pay with PayPal on HagoBuy. To start, open your web browser. Here, search and open HagoBuy.com. Now, search for the product that you want to buy. Click to see its complete details. Once you're satisfied with the product, click on the Buy Now button given on it. Read all the details that appear on this pop-up and click on Confirm to continue with your purchase. Here, you can review your order and see its price and other details. Once you're satisfied with it, click on Submit Order. In the checkout counter, select PayPal as your payment method. After that, you just have to enter your PayPal account. Once the verification is done, your purchase will be completed. That's how you can pay with PayPal on HagoBuy. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.